We'll start with the next sum, that is the 23rd sum. Sorry. Okay. It is given that 5 years ago A was thrice. 5 years ago A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later. So we have something to do with the ages. So we'll take let the present age of A and B be X and Y. Okay, X and Y respectively. So 5 years ago, therefore 5 years ago, A's age will be X minus 5 and B's age will be Y minus 5. Okay. A was means X minus Y was thrice as old as B. So Y minus 5. Okay. So when we open the bracket, X minus 5 is equal to 3Y minus 15. X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. Equation number 1. Okay. Now, what is given next? 10 years later. Okay, so I will find the data of 10 years later. A will be X plus 10 and B will be Y plus 10. Okay, 10 years later A will be X plus 10 and B will be Y plus 10. A shall be means X plus 10 will be twice as old as B. 2 times Y plus 10. Okay, so we can say that X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20. So X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 10. We have X minus 2Y is equal to 2. Equal to 10, equation number 2. So we have plus 1 plus 1. So we subtract 1 and 2. Okay. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, we have X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10 for the first one, and X minus 2Y is equal to 10 for the second one. So this is minus X plus and minus. This gets cancelled. So minus 3Y plus 2Y is minus Y. Minus Y minus 10 is minus 20. So Y is equal to 20. Put Y is equal to 20 in 1. So X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. X minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. 60 is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 plus 60. We have value of X is equal to 50. Therefore, the present age of A is 50 and B is 20. Okay. Therefore, the present age of A is 50 and B is 20. Okay. Okay, for the 24th question, the monthly income for A and B are in ratio 7:5. So this is the ratio for the monthly income, and the ratio for their expenditure is 3:2. Okay, now we have a ratio. So we will take let the common factor for income be X and expenditure be 1. Okay, so the common factor for income is X and common factor for expenditure is Y. Okay, so we can take the monthly income of A. Therefore, monthly income for A is equal to 7x, for B is equal to 5x. Okay, and expenditure, therefore expenditure for A will be 3y and for B will be 2y. Okay, both of them saves 1500. Therefore, 7x minus income of A and expense of A. Okay, income minus expense will be savings. So income minus expense is savings. Income minus expense is savings. Okay, so we have 3 and 2. Can we bring them same by multiplying this equation by 2 and this equation by 3? So multiplying equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So 1 by 2, so it is 14x, 6y, 3000. Okay, and this by 3, so 15x, 3 2s are 6y, and 15 3s are 45. Okay, so we can subtract it now. Right, this is new equation number 3, this is new equation number 4. So subtracting 3 and 4, so we have 14x, 6y is equal to 3000. 15x minus 6y is equal to 4500. So sign gets changed. So minus plus gets cancelled. 14 minus 15 is minus x. 3000 minus 1500 is 3000 minus 4500 is minus 1500. X gets cancelled. We have value of x is equal to 1500. Okay. So we have x and we only want income. Find the monthly income. Therefore monthly income for A is 7x. That is 7 into 1500. 15 6 are 90. 15 7 is 105. So it is 10,500, and for B it is 5x. 5 into 1500, it is 7,500. Okay, so we have the monthly income for A as well as monthly income. So this is a tough question. Okay, just pay attention. A 90% acid solution is mixed with 97% of acid solution. We have two different acid solution. Okay, and when we mixed it, we get 95% of 21 liters acid solution, or 95% of the total mixture. This is a total mixture, remember that. Okay, let the two kinds of solution be acid solution. Be X and Y. We have the first type and the second type, X and Y. Okay, but only if we are mixing X and Y together, we will get 21 liters. So that one was easy. Okay, only mixing X and only mixing Y means first part and second part, if we mix together, we will directly get 21 liters of the solution. But if we mix 90% of X plus 97% of Y, we will get 95% of the 21 liters solution. Okay, got it? So this one is easy. So 90% of X means 90 upon 100 into X plus 97 upon 100 into Y is equal to 95 upon 100 into 21. Okay, so if we take denominator same, we have 90x plus 97y upon 100, 95 upon 100 into 21. Okay, so 100 gets cancelled. We have 90x plus 97y is equal to 95. 21s are 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9, 2 5s are 10, and this is 18, 19. 1995. Okay, it is 1995. 5 ones are 5, 9 ones are 9, 2 5s are 10, 18, 19, 5, 9. Okay, so this is my second equation. Okay, so to bring the coefficient same, I will multiply equation 1 by 90. Multiplying equation 1 by 90, so we have 90x plus 90y is equal to 21 90s are, so 21 9s are 9 ones are 9, 10 2s are 1980. Okay, 1890, sorry, 21 9 1890. 1890. This is equation number 3. So we have 90x over here and 90 over here. So subtracting 1 and 3. Subtracting 1 and 3. So we have 90x plus 90y. 90. 90x plus 97y, 1995. Okay, so when you subtract it, minus, 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 this gets cancelled. 97 minus 90 is minus 7y. Okay, and when you will subtract this 1995 minus 1890, so it is 5105. Okay, minus 105. Minus minus cancelled. We have y, 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, we have 15 liters of second solution. Okay, and we put x plus, sorry, put y is equal to 15 in 1. We have x plus y is equal to 21. X plus 15 is equal to 21. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, the two types of solution are 6 liters and 15 liters each. Okay? And 15 liters each. Solution, first solution is of 6 liters and second solution is of 15 liters. Okay? Try to read the question and try to solve it properly. Okay, in the 26th question we have two rooms. One room is A and the other room is B. Okay, and there are some people sitting inside the room. So we will let the number of people in room A be X. Let number of in room A be X and B be Y. Okay. So in the first condition, if 12 people are sent from A to B, okay, if 12 people are sent from A, so from X 12 are getting subtracted, okay, and these people are going to which room? They are going to room B, okay. So we have Y plus 12. This minus 12 because 12 people from A are going to D, okay. Then number of people in each room is same. If this is minus 12 and this is plus 12, then this is same. Okay. So y will come this side. X minus y is equal to 12 plus 12. Minus 12 will go there and become plus 12. We have x minus y is equal to 24. Okay. Now in the second condition, if 11 people are sent from B to A, if 11 people are sent from B to A, okay, number of people in A is, then X is double the number of people in B, okay. So we have X plus 11 is equal to 2y minus 22. X minus 2y is equal to minus 22 minus 11. Minus 33. Equation number 2. So x and x plus 1 subtracting 1 and 2. subtracting 1 and 2, I have x minus y is equal to 24 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 33. So minus plus plus. So this gets cancelled. Plus 2y minus y, it is y. 4 plus 3 7. 2 plus 3 5. Okay. So we have 57 peoples in 57 peoples in y. Y means b. Put y is equal to 57 in 1. So we have x minus y is equal to 24. X minus 57 is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 plus 57. X is equal to 11. 81. Okay, so number of people in room A is 81 and number of people in room B is 57. Okay, got it? Okay, in the 27th question, again it is a type of a room question. Okay, like the previous one. A and B have certain number of marbles. So without wasting any second, I'll directly start the sum. Let the number of marbles with A and B be x and y. Okay, number of marble with A is x and number of marble with B is y. A says to B, A B को बोलता है कि if you give me 30, means A is asking B to give 30, then I will have twice as many left with you. Okay, see, x and y. Y is B and x is A. A says to B, if you give me 30, so 30 gets subtracted from B and gets added to A. Okay, then I will have, means A will have twice as many. This is the left marble, twice as many left with you. So x plus 30, 2y minus 30, x minus 2y is equal to minus 30, plus 30 will go there, minus 30, minus 60. Okay, then B replies, if you give me 10, again we have x and y. B says, you give me 10, so 10 gets added to here and gets subtracted over here. Then I will have, means B will have thrice as many left with you. So we have 3x minus 30, y plus 10. 3x minus y is equal to 10, minus 30 will go there and become plus 30. We have 3x minus y is equal to 40. Okay, equation number 2. So I will multiply this by 2 so that we have 2y. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. So we have 6x minus 2y 80. Okay, we have minus 2y, we have minus 2y. So subtracting 1 and 3. Subtracting 1 and 3, we have x minus 2y is equal to minus 60 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. Sign gets changed. So x minus 6x is minus 5x and 40, minus 40. Addition is minus 40. Minus minus gets cancelled. X is equal to 140 upon 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. X is equal to 28. Something is wrong over here. 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10. Because the answer in the textbook given is 34 marbles with A. And we have 28 marbles. Let's check what is wrong with the question. Minus 30. 20 over here. First question, if B gives me 30 minus 30, so we will have twice as in. Oh, see over here, 2 into y, 2y, and 2 3s is 6, so it is minus 60 over here. Okay, so minus 60 plus 30 will go there, minus 30, so minus 60 minus 30 is minus 90. Okay, so this was minus 90, so this will also change. X minus 2y is equal to minus 90. 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. So when we subtract it, so this got cancelled. X minus 6x is minus 5x. Minus minus addition, we have 170. X is equal to 170 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 5 4s are 20. Yes. So put x is equal to 34 in 1. So we have x minus 2y is equal to 90. X minus 2 into, value of x is 34. 34 minus 2y is equal to 90. Minus 2y is equal to 90 minus 34. Minus 2y is equal to 56. And value of y, it is minus. Too many mistakes in the single sum. X minus 2y is minus 90, which I wrote at plus 90. So x minus x is 34, minus 2y is minus 90, minus 2y is minus 90, plus 34 will go there, become minus 34. So minus 2y is equal to minus 124. Okay, and minus minus gets cancelled. Value of y is y 62. Yes, 62 is the right answer. Therefore, number of marbles with B is 62 and with A is 34. Okay, sums are not very easy, bit difficult to understand, but if you read the question twice, you'll surely understand it. Okay, the 28th sum is again an important one. Star mark the question. Okay, we'll try to solve it. Present age of man is. We have a man and a son again. So let the present age of man be x and son be y. We have present age of man be x and son be y. Okay. So present age of man is means x is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. Man is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the sun. So x minus 3y is equal to 3. Equation number 1. Okay. 3 years hence means after 3 years. Therefore, after 3 years, man's age will be x plus 3. Son's age will be y plus 3. After 3 years, man's age will be x plus 3 will be 10 years more. 10 years more than twice the son's age. Okay, so read each and every word properly and you can easily frame the equation. 2y will come here and 3 will go there. So x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay, so we have 1, subtracting 1 and 2. Subtracting 1 and 2, we have x minus 3y is equal to 3 and x minus 2y is equal to 7. Minus plus minus x plus x gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus y is minus y. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So we have y is equal to 4. What is y? Y is the age of the sun, and the sun's age is this is wrong. What is wrong with this now? X minus 3y is equal to 3. After 3 years, x is equal to 10 years more than twice the man's age will be x plus 3 will be 10 years more than twice the age of the sun. Age of the sun after 3 years is 2 into y plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 2y plus 6. Okay, by mistake I considered y, but we are seeing it after 3 years, right? 3 years hence. So x minus 2y is equal to 10 plus 6, 16 minus 3. So x minus 2y is equal to 13. Now we will subtract it. Subtracting 1 and 2. So we have x minus 3y is equal to 3. X minus 2y is equal to 13. Minus plus minus. So this gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus y. It is minus y. 3 minus 13 is minus 10. So we have value of y. Y is equal to 10. Okay. Put y is equal to 10 in 2. I will substitute in 2. So we have x minus 2y is equal to 13. X minus 2 into 10 is equal to 13. 2 into 20 is 20. Minus 20 will go there and become plus 20. So it is x is equal to 13 plus 20. So value of x is 30. Okay. Now see, because I am having the answer at the back side of the textbook, I can check it. But in exam, how will you check? When you get the value of x and y, try to substitute in any of the equation and see whether you are getting LHS and RHS equal. If they are equal, then your answer is correct. If they are not equal, your answer is wrong. Okay? So see, if I am substituting 10 over here, so 10 3s are 30 and 33 minus 30 is 3. Okay? So it is correct. So this was the 20th question. Now after this video, I will post one more video of this lesson, and then we will start with the other subjects. Okay? Till then we complete this lesson. We need to continue with mathematics only. Okay? Thank you.